Here's how to reset your Instagram algorithm. Now, on your iPhone or your Android, I'll walk you through the exact steps to reset that feed or algorithm. The first thing you're going to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right. And next, at the top right, tap on those three lines, again on iPhone or Android. And then scroll down from here. Under What You See, tap on Content Preferences. Again, on both phones, there's Content Preferences. And tap on Your Algorithm at the top. This will show you which basically topics Instagram thinks you're interested in. You can remove or add those topics, but also reset the feed. You can see on here, there are a number of things it thinks I'm interested in. If I don't want to be shown that, I can just press and hold on one of these, and then it'll allow me to remove it. You can see, usually if I press and hold on it, it allows me to remove it. On Android, it's letting me do that. On iPhone, rather, you have to just tap on it and hit remove interest. After you've done that, you can also add certain things. Next, tap the back arrow on iPhone or Android. And from here, tap on Reset Suggested Content. You can see it says, Want a fresh start? Will suggest posts and reels, and you can choose what you want to like and what you want to follow, and it will start learning your algorithm or interests again. Tap on the Next button, and then tap on Reset Suggested Content. And after you've done that, keep in mind this cannot be undone, and it will reset all of the suggested videos, posts, feeds, all of that. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.